Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 121, best time to buy and sell stock. So as far as I remember, this was the second problem which I ever solved on Leetcode after two sum, and it's a really simple one to solve. What we're going to do is we're going to use two variables, left and right, which will keep uh, the track of the highest value, like the higher value and the lower value, which we need to subtract out to get the profit. So the problem statement is you are given array prices where prices of I is the price of given stock on ith day, and we basically have to maximize the profit, you know, in selling and buying. Basically, it's exactly how stock market works, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a left pointer and a right pointer, and at each step I'm going to compare these two values. Okay. If my right pointer is greater than left pointer, I'll calculate the difference and we will check if this difference is greater than my current profit or not. If it is, I'll update my current profit, else we'll just keep it as is. The other condition is if my value at right pointer is greater than value at the left pointer, then I'll have to move my left pointer to the right pointer and we'll just increment the right pointer, right? Right pointer plus one. So let's move to the solution. Okay. First thing first, we want a variable which we have to return. Let's define it as maximum. Okay. Next thing is we wanted to keep two pointers like left and right. So this is it. Next, I'll be running a loop until my right is less than my length of prices because I don't want to overflow, get into the overflow condition, right? So yeah, this is done. Next condition, which I mentioned in the explanation was if prices at left is less than prices at right. In this case, I want to do check for my maximum profit, right? I want to update this basically. So profit at this step will be this will be simple profit of right minus profit of left. Okay. We will simply update the maximum using the max operation, maximum comma profit. Whichever is greater, I'll update the maximum value with it. Else, I wanted to change my left pointer and get it to where we are at right now. Okay. And at the last, no matter which condition gets executed, I want to update my right pointer. So yeah, this was the complete solution, and this is it. Let's check out the test cases. Yes, sorry. So the test cases got accepted. It got cleared. Let's submit for further evaluation. And the solution also got accepted, and we performed decent. We outperformed 52.2% of the solution. So, yeah. Thanks, done guys, for watching the video and stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.